Hey beautiful people! Are you ready to unlock radiant, glowing skin without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the amazing world of DIY face masks using simple, natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. First up, the classic honey and lemon mask. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin, while lemon juice acts as a gentle exfoliant and brightener thanks to its vitamin C. Mix 2 tablespoons of honey with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Apply for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse. Next, the turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric is a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, giving your skin an incredible glow. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates. Combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Leave on for 15 minutes before washing off. Number 3 is the oatmeal and honey mask. Oatmeal is incredibly soothing and helps absorb excess oil, while also providing gentle exfoliation. Honey adds moisture and antibacterial properties. Mix 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of honey and a splash of warm water to form a paste. Apply for 15 minutes. For deep hydration, try the avocado and honey mask. Avocado is packed with healthy fats and vitamins that nourish and soften the skin. Honey seals in that moisture. Mash half a ripe avocado and mix with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply generously and relax for 20 minutes. Mask number 5 is banana and honey. Bananas are rich in potassium and vitamins, making your skin feel soft and supple. Honey enhances the moisturizing effect. Mash half a ripe banana and mix with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply for 15 to 20 minutes. Get exfoliating with the coffee and yogurt mask. Coffee grounds provide excellent physical exfoliation, improving circulation and brightness. Yogurt adds chemical exfoliation with lactic acid. Mix 1 tablespoon of fine coffee grounds with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Gently massage onto skin, then leave for 10 minutes before rinsing. For a cooling and soothing treat, try cucumber and aloe vera. Cucumber hydrates and reduces puffiness, while aloe vera calms irritation and promotes healing. Blend half a cucumber and mix the pulp with 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel. Apply for 20 minutes. Finally, the besan, turmeric, and milk mask, a traditional favorite. Besan, or gram flour, cleanses and brightens the skin. Turmeric adds glow, and milk moisturizes and soothes. Mix 2 tablespoons of besan, a pinch of turmeric, and enough milk to form a paste. Apply, let it dry slightly, then rinse. Each one offers unique benefits to help you achieve that radiant, glowing complexion you've always wanted. Remember to patch test any new mask first, especially if you have sensitive skin. Consistency is key, so try incorporating these into your weekly skincare routine. Your skin will thank you. Give these a try and let your natural beauty shine through.